You're looking at me again. Stop it. Any knife works. I mean, you don't have to be a perfectionist. That's about opening up. You can put these things in whole, these sugared almonds, but it's kind of nice to just take the flat edge of your knife and smash them up. You gotta distribute those nuts. Oh yeah. Throw some peaches in there. It's cool to have extra. You just put the extra in the pot. It's all gravy. Onion. You know, like when you go to Subway and you see everyone designing their sandwiches at Subway? That's what I feel like right now. Toothpicks. You can use twine as well. Twine's good because it doesn't burn when you put it in the oven. But you know what? Who cares? That's what we got. That's what we're going to use. We're going to put a little salt and a little pepper on top of the pork. It brings out a little bit of flavor. Flip her upside down. Yeah. That peach and onion sticking out a little bit. Can't just season one side. Alright, casually throw these in there. Put those on top. They look pretty. My brother made this part up. The juice of one orange. No more and no less. Some nuts in there. Sweet. Dude, put some tinfoil on the top. Get convection heat going. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Check out the pulp. Oh my god, it smells so good! You poke this right here, and if it feels like that, it's good. Excellent. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh my god, dude.
They both look up and go, same time. Meet on their fork.
Meet on their fork.
Meet on the fork. Poca madele.